Hello dear engineers and engineering students, I am engineer Saifullah and you are watching 7 Engineer at Site. So dear guys, today we will discuss one-way slab, two-way slab and their differences, and the fresh graduates or in civil engineering students who are confused in one-way slab and two-way slab. So must watch this video for a full knowledge and enjoy it. If you are a new visitor, so click on subscribe button and along with the bell icon for the notification of new videos. So let's move toward the top screen.
So dear students, the topic is one-way slab and two-way slab and their difference. By watching this video, all confusions about one-way slab and two-way slab will be clear. So watch full video and give your opinion in comment box. So let's start. One-way slab. First of all, we have to define that what is a one-way slab. So the definition is the one-way slab is a slab which is supported by beams on the two opposite sides to carry the load along with the directions. I will repeat it again. One-way slab is a slab which is supported by beams on the two opposite sides to carry the load with direction, along with the direction. And you know what, the example of one-way slab is a veranda slab. So veranda slab is a type of one-way slab where the slab is fanning in the shorter direction with main reinforcement. I mean that here the main bars will be in shorter direction and the distribution of reinforcement in the transverse direction, and the distribution bars will be in a transverse directions. So I'll repeat it here again. Veranda slab is a type of one-way slab where the slab is fanning in shorter direction with main reinforcement and the distribution of reinforcements in transverse direction. So go ahead. This is a clear picture of one-way slab. So here you can see clearly that this is the support number one support, and this is support 2. As already we have told you that the supports are on the opposite sides. So the main bars are main reinforcement will be in shorter direction. So these are the main reinforcements or main bars, and the distribution reinforcements will be in transverse direction. So these are the distribution bars or distribution reinforcement. So guys, you have clearly seen the one-way slab picture. So now we will go ahead towards the two-way slab. So first of all, we have to define the two-way slab. That what is a two-way slab? So the definition is this: when a reinforced concrete slab is supported by beams on the all four sides and the loads are carried to the supports along both directions, it is known as two-way slab. So I'll repeat it again. When a reinforced concrete slab is supported by beams on the all four sides and the loads are carried to the support along both directions, it is known as two-way slab. So here in two-way slab the supports will be on all both sides. On all both sides, yes. Okay, dear guys, and the two-way slabs example is the slabs used in a multi-story buildings. So the two-way slabs are mostly used in the floor of multi-story buildings. So now we will go toward the picture of two-way slab. So guys, this is the clear picture of two-way slab. Here you can see clearly four support is one support number 2, support number 3 and support number 4. So two-way slab is supported on all four sides, and this is a slab, reinforced concrete slab. This is the picture of two-way slab. So now we will go ahead towards the difference between one-way slab and two-way slab. So dear guys, you have now get information about one-way slab and two-way slab. Now I'll teach you about the difference between one-way slab and two-way slab. So the first one is the slab is supported by two opposite sides. One-way slab is supported by two opposite sides. Is very simple. It is very simple, guys. And the two-way slab, and the two-way slab is supported on all sides. In one-way slab, it will supported by two opposite sides. In two-way slab, the slab is supported by all sides. The second one is the load is carried in one direction. There are two supports, so because of that the load is carried in one direction. And in two-way slab, the load is carried in both directions. There are four supports, because of that the load is carried in both directions. So the third one is the ratio. This is the main difference between them, is the ratio of longer span to shorter span is equal or greater than 2. So this is a very important point, dear guys. Keep it in mind. The ratio of longer span to shorter span is equal to 2 or greater than 2 in one-way slab. And the two-way slab, the ratio of longer span to the shorter span is less than 2. In two-way slab, the ratio will be less than 2, and in the one-way slab, the ratio will be greater than 2. So here is the example: length divided by b, right, which is equal to 5 meter. Length is 5 meter and width is 2 meter. So 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5, which is greater than 2. And here L divided by b, which is 5 meter divided by 3 meter, which is equal to 1.66, which is less than 2. And here we have already told you that the one-way slab example is veranda slab, and the example of two-way slab is slab used in multi-story building. So dear friends, if you have got the knowledge from this video, so please like our video and give your opinion in the comment box, and subscribe our channel for civil engineering knowledge, AutoCAD tutorials, SketchUp tutorial, quantity survey and cost estimation, site supervision videos, general videos related to civil engineering. So keep us on your prayers.